We are back with week 13 of GoMining's Miner Wars. As you can see now, we have a total of 0.0160958 Bitcoin. That adds up to a total of $1,646.32. Not bad at all. Unfortunately, we did not get a payout last week. That's because we started a new clan. We have 9 members with a total of 330.53 terahash, ranked 151 out of 237. Feel free to join. There are no requirements. It's open to the public. Boost if you can, boost if you want. I'm going to throw in a red right now. Talk in the chats if you want. I'm going to say hello to everyone. And if you're still looking to get into mining, you can always start with just 1 terahash, priced at only $30. It's that simple. You'll be making 3 cents a day. Not much, but it is something. In the stock market, you're normally at maybe 10% annually. Here, you're getting up to 35% annually. If you reinvest with GoMining, you can get up to 42% annually. Invest your money wisely and don't waste it.